Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, as this is crucial for enabling withdrawals. Next, you will need to select your preferred method for withdrawing funds, which typically includes options like direct bank transfers or peer-to-peer trading. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the specific fees and estimated processing times associated with each withdrawal method before proceeding. When withdrawing, bank transfers are a common choice, allowing direct deposits into your linked bank account. Another popular option is peer-to-peer or P2P trading, where you can sell your cryptocurrency directly to other users for local currency. For smaller amounts or faster access, some regions also support withdrawals to a debit or credit card, offering a convenient and quick way to access your funds. Be aware that withdrawal fees can vary significantly based on your chosen method and the specific cryptocurrency you are moving. Your daily withdrawal limits are also determined by your account's verification level, so ensure it meets your needs. Before confirming any transaction, always double-check all recipient details carefully to prevent irreversible errors and ensure your funds reach the correct destination. Once you have selected your method and reviewed the fees, confirm the exact withdrawal amount and all transaction details. You will then need to enter any required two-factor authentication codes to authorize the transfer securely. After this, your funds will be processed according to the chosen method's timeline. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.